All of my meal prep begins with a glass of chai or a cup of chai. Maybe I'm guilty of having more than one cup throughout the process because I tend to, separate my meal prep over the weekend. There are some things that I do on Saturday, and then there are some things that I do on Sunday. However, after moving to Germany, now that I think of it, I even do some meal prep on Friday because in Germany, Sunday is like the Ruhetag da, and I just cannot grind because my mixie will give this brr sound. So, yeah, go figure. Anyway, before I started off meal prepping for this weekend, obviously I did some soaking the previous night. I'm doing multiple grinding business today. I'm grinding vadai batter. I'm also grinding idli dosa batter. Mm, let's just say it's my habit to grind vadai batter whenever I grind idli dosa batter because it's easier to clean the grinder that way. Does this make sense to you all? Along with the vadai batter and the dosa batter, I was parallelly making some ghee. Ever since I moved to Germany, it has almost become my routine to make fresh ghee from, the local butter because buying ready-made ghee in Germany is quite expensive. It was not so in Singapore, but I think here, well, buying butter and making ghee is cheaper. I love the Deutsche Marke butter that we get over here. Obviously, my favorite is the Revo one, but Aldi also has some fantastic discounts. And if you're lucky, you just bulk buy and make ghee. And then, I have this habit of utilizing all this kasadu that you get from making ghee to make some sort of a healthy dessert. Shall I call it healthy or shall I not call it healthy? Well, that's a controversy. But again, In this week's case, I made some whole black Urad Dal Ladoos using the ghee residue, some jaggery, cardamom, and obviously whole black Urad Dal. I roasted the whole black Urad Dal on low flame till it was fragrant and nutty. I let it become warm to touch, and then I blended it along with some jaggery. To this ground urad dal and jaggery mix, I added the residue that I got from melting the ghee along with some more melted ghee and then made them all into laddus. So this was like the dessert till yesterday, I think. I'm not sure. Well, I shot this over the weekend, but I'm posting it sometime during Thursday, so you can figure out how it went. My meal prep also involves drying some stuff, sometimes sun drying when I'm really lucky enough to have good sunshine here in Germany. It's impossible in winter, but yeah, in summer, yes, we can do it in Köln. And other than that, yes, I also end up making chaat chutneys and some additional side dishes, or I sometimes batch cook lentils. So all this is quite a part of my meal prep.